bururi witu wa Kenya no wambiriria round ingi ya murimu wa COVID-19 kana ni twambiriirie round ingi ya gatatu kahinda kangi gakinyite uhoro wa gwikira mask umicuragie ngingo utigage maundu macio ma gucuria ngingo riu ni hingo ya kwimenyerera.
Riri ni rio riraririanirira ria minista wa ugima wa mwiri Mutahi Kagwe akiuria Kenya mehuge kuona kihukanio gia gatatu kia murimu wa COVID-19 ni kirikitie kuingira guku bururi-ini. Kaunti-ini ya Naikuru, thirikari ya kaunti no iri na hukuna ica ikuhi ni gukoretwo na arwaru aingi aria marathii kurigitwo murimu uyu wa COVID-19.
COVID menace has returned to haunt us. Our hospitals continue to register high numbers, which means if we continue like this in a month or two, again we will go back to the same period when we could not be able to accommodate even those who are in need of critical care or oxygen and others.
Gavana wa kaunti no Lee Kinyanjui arauga ta thirikari ni mamakite kuona andu aingi ona matirarumira mawatho maria magathikitwo kuhitana na murimu uyu na muno makiri icagi-ini.
Ours is a plea to Kenyans not to deny a scientific fact that has continued to ravage the entire region.
Lee ningi ni ahithuritie maratanya andu makiria ma 10,000 ni umekwamukira njanjo ya COVID-19 kaunti-ini no ikireka-ini ria mbere.
We have already started administering it. It is not much, about 15,000 out of a population of 2.4 million people. So if you do it from a percentage point of view, that remains very low. However, if at least our doctors are covered, it means in the event of high infections and we need people in the front line, they'll be able to go there without any problem.
Agiukirina teti ni undu wa kungatheria ritana ria kwaga gutabania mishemanio ya kiuteti, gavana uyu ugite andu taya nio muhinga munene hari kuhitana na gutherema kwa murimu uyu wa COVID-19. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritora kwa neno ngari wa Kamau.